The Technical Education and Skills Development Authority, or TESDA, received another bus unit from Genesis Transport Incorporated on Wednesday as part of its Mobile Training Plus Park and Train program, which aims to extend educational services to marginalized areas in the National Capital Region. TESDA will transform the bus into a mobile classroom, equipped with the necessary facilities found in a typical training center, and it will also serve as an accessible assessment center. TESDA Secretary Joel Villanueva said that the program aims to reach out to poor people who are willing to learn and improve their lives.
Ang unang dahilan kung bakit nagkaroon ng ganitong innovation is the fact na marami sa ating mga estudyante, maging yung mga scholars po natin, nahihirapang pumunta sa mga eskwelahan. No? So ang sabi namin, if you can't go to TESDA, TESDA goes to you. At kung ito ay nasa kanilang komunidad, nalalabas lang sila ng bahay, hindi na sila mamamasahe, maglalaan sila sa sariling bahay din nila. Malaking tipid, no? But more importantly for us is that we get a chance to offer our programs doon po sa grassroots level. Maka-access sila, mabigyan ng tamang training, ma-assess, ma-certify, at pagka na-certify sila, alam naman natin ngayon sa TESDA, 60.9% of our graduates land jobs. So nakakatulong po tayo, nakakapagbigay tayo ng magandang training at higit sa lahat magandang trabaho, magandang opportunity para sa kanila magtagumpay sa kanilang mga karera sa buhay.
Villanueva said that there are around 30 buses distributed around the country that have been providing educational services, and he added that his office has been working on giving convenient choices to people. At present, there are over 2,000 students who have graduated from the said program, and 95% of the graduates in Marikina and Quezon City has been employed.
Nakatulong sa akin ng TESDA sa paglawak ng skills na nalalaman ko, at saka tinutulungan nila kami bilang para makahanap ng trabaho, at saka yung gabay nila sa amin tuloy-tuloy hanggang sa pagtapos namin sa training na ginagawa namin.
The mobile training that was formally launched last February 10th currently offers automotive, computer hardware, motorcycle and small engine servicing, consumer electronics, electrical installation and maintenance, hair cutting, driving, wellness massage, security services, community disaster management program, and entrepreneurship appreciation. The duration of each course may vary from 3 weeks to 3 months. For iSeen TV News, Donna Gonzalez Monserina reporting.